day, my people. Welcome back to AfrikaBibleTori, where I dey talk about Bible tori wey don last from generation to generation. And today I go dey talk about how God take call Abraham for Genesis chapter 12. One day, God call Abraham, yarn am say, "Omo, pack your load comot from your papa house. Forget your village people and everything wey you know. I go show you one new place. You no know the place, but I got your back." God continue, "If you obey me, I go bless you scatter. I go turn you to big oga for this earth. Everybody go know your name and everybody wey hear about you go respect you. I go bless you sotey people go dey use your name dey swear for prayer. Anybody wey try bless you, I go bless am too. But if anybody curse you, dem go collect. Because of you, all the families for this earth go chop blessing. E go be like blessing distributor." Na so Abraham pack him load o. He no argue, no questions at all. The guy just move. At that time, he don old well, 75 years, but he no send. He carry him wife Sarah, him nephew Lot, and all the people wey dey work for am. Dem waka with everything dem get, begin head to the land of Canaan. When dem get there, Abraham waka around the land. Dem enter one place wey dem dey call Shechem, near the big oak tree for Morah. That time, Canaanite people still dey there, dem never waka comot. As Abraham waka around the land, God appear to am again, tell am, "You see this land? I go dash your pikin dem this whole place. Na their inheritance be this." Abraham come build altar for there, just to thank God and mark the spot. He no wan forget the gist wey God yarn am. After that, Abraham continue him waka. He move go Bethel side. As he reach there, he build another altar to make sure say he go always dey hear from God. Abraham too sabi connect. From there, the guy just dey waka anyhow. He move go south. Anywhere breeze blow, Abraham go follow. But yawa gas. One time, serious hunger catch the land. No food to chop. Abraham no fit shout. He pack him people again, waka enter Egypt side. Dem say na there food dey. But as dem near Egypt, Abraham reason say, "Omo, my wife Sarah fine, no be small o. If these Egyptians see this babe, dem go toast her sharp sharp. If dem know say na my wife, dem go fit kill me carry her. I no wan die yet o." Abraham come beg Sarah, him wife, "Abeg, when we reach there, just tell dem say you be my sister. If dem think say you be my sister, dem no go fit kill me. Na only way be that." As dem enter Egypt, true the Egyptians see Sarah and dem mouth open. See fine babe. The gist about Sarah beauty spread reach Pharaoh palace. Pharaoh people carry the matter go give Pharaoh, and so dem rush go meet Abraham, grab Sarah go palace. Pharaoh just dey happy say fine babe don enter. But because of Sarah, Pharaoh come begin treat Abraham like king. He dash Abraham plenty cows, goats, donkeys, and even slaves. Abraham don blow just like that. But God no happy with the whole matter. He vex go put serious wahala for Pharaoh and him people head. Dem begin fall sick anyhow because Pharaoh go carry another man wife. One day, Pharaoh call Abraham. He say, "Guy, why you no tell me say this woman na your wife? Why you yarn me say na your sister? You wan kpai me? Take your wife, take everything wey I dash you, waka go your way before God finish us for here." Na so Abraham carry Sarah plus all the cows, goats, slave, everything wey Pharaoh give am, pack him things, waka comot from Egypt sharp sharp. He no look back. The guy just dey thank God say he survive. Na how Abraham waka pass Egypt, carry him blessing.